Wait, why are you running so weird? What don't I know? My old nemesis, glass.
Birds can't see glass. We can do this together.
All right, Tulip, you got this.
Okay, left, right, straight, left, right. Oh no! I'm panicking. Right again. Left, I mean. Left, right. I mean, left, right, left, right. Rolf. I mean, Rolf. I'm just shouting.
Not working.
Oh, we did that together.
I ran into every piece of glass, some more than once. Jeez.
What are the chances of that? I guess pretty high in a glass factory.